Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn textbook, English textbook, unit number 1, lesson number 2, part 2, odd one in class 7. Students, in the last video we learned about this chapter. This chapter extracted from the story Odd One In by Tithi Tavora teaches us to be kind to others and respect each other's differences. The story revolves around Rima, a city girl who tried to bully a new student in her class, Malti, who was from a different state, took admission in Rima's school. Students, in last video we learned about Malti and Rima. They both took the participation in singing competition. When Malti and her friends knew these things, when Rima and her friend knew these things, Malti was going to sing a song in a competition. They got upset. But when Malti started to sing a song, she sang a song melodiously, beautifully. So no one dared to jeer Malti in an audience here, sure to get a caught. When Malti finished, the principal was the first one to start clapping, followed by the teachers and students. When Malti finished her song in a competition that time, the school principal first she stand and started to clapping, and after that teachers and students also followed her. No one was surprised when Malti won the first prize. Rima did come first in her category. Somehow she felt no joy. Means they both, Rima and Malti both win the competition. Rima win the competition in English song competition, and Malti win competition in Hindi song competition. They both win the competition in a different languages here, but Rima did not came for Rima, though she came first in her category. In her category means in a English song competition, but she not felt a joy. As the term progressed, it was abundantly clear to all that Malti was a bright child. She was quite studious and intelligent. She fared well in sports as well as in studies. Means when first term finished, it was abundantly clear that Malti was a good, bright student in the class. She was quite studious and intelligent. She was a studious also and intelligent also. She fared well in a sport as well as in studies. Means she is a good in a sport also as well as in a study also. Her forte fared well. Her forte was mathematics. Means her favorite subject was mathematics. Her simple appearance believed a sharp and nimble brain. Slowly, many of her girls began seeking her help in mathematics. Means many other girls from her class they seeking her. They used to take the help for from Malti in mathematics sums here. Help which she readily and cheerfully gave. Anyone students they want help from Malti, she was ready to give the help to them in mathematics here. The teachers had liked the respectfully intelligent girl from the beginning. Now girls from the class also befriended her. Even teacher also at the beginning only teachers give the respect to Malti here because she is intelligent, good in her study here. But after means day by day, other students from her class they also became a friend. They became a friend with. They did the friendship with the Maltiyo. Not Rima and her colleague, though. They stubbornly dislike Malti. Means stubbornly means purposely. They know Malti is a good in a school, in a class, but they denied it. Who denied it? Rima and her colleague and her friends. They were a stylish lot of nothing that Malti did could after alter the fact that she was not their type. Means they are thinking they were stylish here, but Malti was a simply girl here. Her behavior is a simply so they all thinking about Malti is not so good in a behavior here. They never lost a chance to poke fun at her, particularly her English. Means Malti and her friends they always teasing to Rima and her friend they always use to teach to Malti on her behavior, on her uniform, on her especially on a English language. Malti felt bad about their behavior. One day, she was on the verge of tears when Rima mocked at her mercilessly because she said ask instead of ask. But when Malti told instead of ask, that time Rima poked Malti and used a very bad word to Malti other. So by listening that Rima started to Miss Rima become a very upset here. Her voice trembling, Malti said, "I know my English is weak. Your is a good." Miss Rima got a very sad by saying that these things to Malti here. Her voice trembling, Malti said, "I know my English is a weak. Your is a good." But Malti replied when she replied that her voice was a trembling. Trembling means shaking. Shaking means she was crying over there and talking with the Rima. "I know my English is a weak. Yours is a good. Please, will you help me to improve it?" "Yes, I know my English is not so good, but your English is too much good. So, can you help me to improve my English?" "I won't be able to help you, my dear," replied Rima with an exaggerated accent. Exaggerated accent means in angry accent. "Speaking properly English isn't easy for your countrified type." Means speaking English properly, it's not so easy to your category girl here. Malti's face turned red. She wanted to retort but could not find the right words. She burst into tears and ran off. "That was horrid, Rima," said Shehnaz. Malti's face turned red when Rima replied to her, "I won't able to teach you English. So that time when she Rima used bad words to Malti, that time other friends also seeing these things over there. So Shehnaz, by seeing this, Shehnaz told to Rima, "Yeah, that was horrid, Rima," said Shehnaz. "Yes," agreed Neha and Clary roundly. Means whatever you said to Malti, it was not so good. It is insulting things to Malti here. And her both Rima's friend told all together here, "Yes, you are guilty over here." Rima was shocked. Her own friends had turned against her. She walked off in a huff. Rima was shocked. Means why Rima was shocked? Because her own friends had turned against her. because her own friends they turn against to her. Why? Because of the Malti. And she walked off in a huff. She walked off in a huff means she walked from that place in a huff means in a angrily. Mrs. Sain found her subdued over lunch, but I decided not to ask anything. Means Mrs. Sain means her mother, Rima's mother, found her subdued over lunch. She was sitting quietly while in a lunchtime. She knew that things, but she did not ask anything to Rima over there. Rima knew that she had behaved very badly. She was too proud to admit it, even to herself. Rima also knew that her behavior was very bad here, but she was too proud to admit it, even to herself. But she denied, yes, she was guilty over that. So, students, I hope you understand this story. So, in a class, never tease any girls, those who are in a poor in any kind of yeah. This for speaking, she's not in good in dancing. So anyhow, if any your friends not good in that field here, don't tease her. Okay, that is a moral for this story here.